Today I'm going to discuss is all about secant method. So secant method is a root finding algorithm that uses a succession of roots of secant line to better approximate the root of a function of f. So let's have example. And before that, I'm going to show you the formula used in the secant method. So the formula used here is x sub n plus I is equals to x sub I plus f of x sub I times x sub I minus x sub I minus 1 over f of x sub I minus f of x sub I minus 1. So let's have some example. So example is we have a function of f of x equals to x cubed minus 20 and our interval are 4 and 5.5. So what we're going to do is we just substitute the value of our initial values here and find the estimate roots after 2 iterations. So we're just gonna find 2 iterations. So let's start. So since our I is equals always to 1 and our initial is 1 and then we're gonna find x sub 2. So we have an x sub 1 and a 5.5. So x sub 2 is equals to x sub 1 minus f of x sub I times x sub I minus x sub I minus 1 over f of x sub I minus f of x sub I minus 1. So the value for x sub 1 is 5.5. Then substitute the 5.5 to the equation here. So it will become 5.5 cubed minus 20 times 5.5 minus 4 over 5.5 cubed minus 20 minus 4 times 4 cubed minus 20. So the value of our x sub 2 is equals to 3.53. So let's have the x sub 3 when I is equals to 2. This is our second iteration, for the second iteration. So since we have value of x sub 2, since we have value of x sub 2 here, we will substitute it as a new value for the equation. So next is we're gonna find value of x sub 3. So x sub 3 is equals to x sub 2 minus f of x sub I, again the formula, x sub I minus x sub I minus 1 over f of x sub I minus f of x sub I minus 1. So let's substitute the given. So the answer for our x sub 2 here is 3.53. So substitute again to the given equation. So 3.53 cubed minus 20. Then 3.53 minus our x sub 1, which is 5.5, over 3.53 squared minus 20, a cube minus 20, then our 5.5 cubed minus 20. So the value of our x sub 3 is 3.059. So for you to know that if your answer is the final answer, as we notice that the value for x sub 2 and x sub 3 is near in the tree. So the answer, our roots is between 3. So that's all for the second method. Thank you.